also the first time I have ever tried a black lip liner, and I'm really feeling this black. What is going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. I wanted to show you guys how I created this look, giving like bleach brow, blue eyeshadow, wing liner kind of vibe. So if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you guys keep on watching.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live.
So first I'm going to bleach these brows, and I'm going to take this e.l.f. in the color medium sand, and I'm gonna just take a little bit and rub it through. And I try to make sure I get all of it, like I even go like this. You see? Bleach brow. Bling, 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 bling. Bitches is mad. Say no. And I love me a bleach brow. Like, I like the way it makes your face look. Like, if you've never tried a bleach brow before, you definitely need to try a bleach brow. Alright, so now since I have bleached my brows, I still do like this kind of like shape thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, I still shape my brows, make them look like a brow. So I'm about to do that. Okay? And basically what I do is I take my brow brush, because this is like my brow brush. This right here, this is from P. Louise. I do my brows with a brush. Some people do it with a pencil. I like to do my brows with a brush. I like to draw my brows. All right, so next we're going to take some P. Louise, the Rumor 6 base. I'm just going to take this. So now I'm gonna take it and just put this over my whole entire lid so we can get into eyeshadow. I'm trying to think, should I do my eyes first or should I just do my face first since I got my eyes down? But I'm gonna do the top of my eye first. Get the top of my eye first out the way. We are going to be jumping into my favorite palette. This is the Tati palette, okay? Y'all know I love me some Stacey Marie, okay? So we're gonna be jumping into Lagoon, this blue. And we're gonna be taking Lagoon and just laying that right on the outer corner, building up that outer corner shadow. All right, so now since I'm done that, I'm going to just take the edge and lightly start brushing that out because I want to get ready for my next color. You know what I'm saying? New color. So next, what's next? So we're going to be jumping into Reef. And we're going to be taking Reef and we're going to be bringing Reef out. And I'm gonna just take Lagoon and I'm gonna just put it right here in my crease and stay real close. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit of the deep. I know y'all know by now blue is my favorite color. And I'm gonna just stamp this a little bit in my crease and then bring it out just to give it a little bit more of a definition. Some people starts with their dark first. It really doesn't matter to me if I start with my dark or my light first. It's all about placement. I feel like if you place it right, your stuff will never be muddy if you just have a much of a lighter hand. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I try to do, have a lighter hand. All right, next we're going to be jumping into some eyeliner, and the eyeliner that we're going to be using is the P. Louise. This is the basic hint of mint. I'm going to wing this out. Since I have that wing down, I'm gonna take the rest of that. I'm gonna put this right under my waterline. So I think I wanna do a little bit of shimmer, so I'm gonna jump into, real quick, this pearl, this right here. And I'm gonna just take that and I'm gonna lay that right over top of my lid. And then I'm going to jump into some lip gloss just to give it like a nice wet look. Cause I kind of like that wet look, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to jump right back into that Reef. And I'm going to just take that Reef and tap that on my wing. And so I'm going to be jumping on these lashes. These are actually the Ardell lashes, and these are the Juliana's. I kind of like these because they are very natural, but then at the same time they're very full. It's like lashes is like sometimes I'll have a good day with lashes, and then sometimes I won't have a good day with lashes. You know what I mean? It's like you never know with lashes. Like lashes would be like, I love you today, and then the next day be like, bitch, I don't fuck with you. I don't fuck with you. I don't mess with you like that. So I've already moisturized my skin because I did a skin routine. I did my skin routine. So what I'm going to do, I'm definitely going to jump into primer. And for primer, we're going to be jumping into the Hourglass is the Veil. And I'm also going to jump into the Fenty Skin Eye Nap Flash. I said eye nap, but it's for your eye, but it's the Flash Nap Cream. So I do still take this and put this under my eye. Rub that in real good. Just rub it right under my eye like that. This Flash Nap, it really is good for creasing. I know it helps my creasing when I do my eyes and stuff like that. Prime it, baby, prime it. I said prime it, baby. And we put this all over the face, you know what I'm saying? All right, next we're gonna be jumping into the foundation. The L'Oreal, this is the Infallible Wear. So I'm gonna mix a little bit of this L'Oreal and also the Fenty Skin and the Eavesdrop. And then take this brush, stamp it all in. Real good. Ooh, yeah. And next we're going to be jumping into concealer, and for concealer I'm going to be taking the Jouer. This is like kind of like my same complexion. Also, I haven't been going all under my mouth anymore. I kind of stay away from that a little bit. I just kind of been shaping and just whatever's on the side, bringing it around my mouth. As you grow, you know, your makeup change. If your makeup don't change, then, you know, you're comfortable with what you're doing, that's fine. But lately, like, I've been just doing certain things to kind of like change my makeup. Then I'm going to also jump into e.l.f. We had already used this for my eyebrows. I'm going to use the medium sand, and I'm only going to use a little bit of this because I really don't want too much. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this Infallible Wear and just put this in the middle. And like right here on the sides. This is just what I've been doing lately. No big deal. You know what I'm saying? This just has been the vibe, like how I've been doing my makeup lately. Oh, let me spray my beauty blender. It's a little. And just press this in real good. Just like this. You know what I'm saying? What's been going on though, boo? What you been up to? You feel what I'm saying? How have you been feeling? I'm gonna put a little bit more. And we're gonna jump into the Danessa Myricks contour in the deep 2. But yeah, like I just really been like falling back, staying to myself, doing everything I need to do for myself, things of that nature. Even though I'm always focused, I've always been a little hustler. And so it's like, if it's not about my business, I don't wanna do anything. Like I just want to focus. Lately, you feel what I'm saying, I just been on this thing like, you know what, I need to really focus on what the Lord has for me. Lately, he's been showing me what he wants, how he want it, and what he want. You feel what I'm saying? I don't never want him to think that I take that for granted. So lately, God just been having me focused. We're going to be jumping into Juvia's Place to touch up the contour and the contour that I just did on my nose too. But yeah, other than that, I've been chilling. I've been working, really focusing and honing in on my business. You feel what I'm saying? I'm so blessed to have a business that people love, that people come and that people shop from. You feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna jump into my blush, and it's by e.l.f. This has been my little cute little summer blush that I've been kicking it with, whatever. And I'm gonna just take this and just flush these cheeks. All right, so real quick, we're gonna line these lips. So I'm actually taking this P. Louise. This is the Baddie Black Base, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of this, and I'm gonna line my lips with this. Yes. And then I'm just gonna take some gloss or whatever like that. This is just a gloss actually that my daughter made for me. It's really cute. It has like a little glitter in it. I'm gonna do my under eye real quick. Just like that. And then I'm just going to take some mascara. And pull that down, just like that, okay? So, real quick, I'm going to jump into this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the color 440. And I'll just tap some of that over just real quick, just to get all that, you know, just to blend it in. I usually do that. And then after that, I'm going to jump into, this is like one of my fave Morphe setting sprays. It's the luminous setting spray. This is also the first time I have ever tried a black lip liner, and I'm really feeling this black. So my boo, this is the final look. If you like this look, don't forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? And hit the notification bell button too, boo, because you don't want to miss my upcoming videos. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching me and watching me grow in makeup. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.
Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chuck a look around. Find one that seemed my type. Damn, my dog.